Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening TikTok and going straight to your profile. This is where the Pi option lives. Once on your profile, tap the three-line menu at top right to reveal settings and privacy. Make sure the app is updated, otherwise the Pi toggle may not be present. You do this now so you can access the exact control. It saves time versus searching in system menus and ensures the option is visible when we continue. Next, you navigate the settings pages to find the picture-in-picture control. Once in privacy and safety or additional settings, scan for video, display, or a Pi label. TikTok sometimes moves it between versions. When you see the Pi toggle, switch it off and confirm any prompt. That stops the app from floating videos when you exit. Make sure to watch for nested menus, because the option is often tucked under video controls, which is why methodical scanning matters. Finally, you should test the change. Open a video and swipe home to confirm Pi no longer appears. If a floating window still shows up, check your device's app overlay or picture-in-picture permissions in system settings. TikTok may have been granted OS-level Pi rights. If toggling and permissions don't help, restart the app, then the device. Reinstall as a last resort. That resets app flags and typically resolves stubborn Pi behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.